Hey friends, welcome to the part 3 of this series. In this video, I am going to explain you about the Uipath and its component. Basically, all activities like how the layout of the studio, from where you can get the things for your development, those kind of things. So let's start. So once you open Uipath Studio from program menu and you can type Uipath. Once you click it, it will open a window like this. It is a UiPath community edition. Currently, I am using it, and it's named it here. So if you see, it's a community edition. So once it is launched, we can say it is a startup page. In the right hand side, extreme right hand side, you can see it is written as a recent project. So whatever projects you have created or opened, those things will be listed here in the right hand side. Even if you want, then you can pin this particular projects or locations. So in the extreme left hand side, you can find this is multiple things, right? You can open a particular project this way by clicking the open, or you can start a new project, and or there is a button called help. If you want something help, then you can go and check out there. So currently UiPath community provide four kind of project templates. So basically these are the four templates to make your project easier. Like it will give you some templates, so based on that you can work. So basically it will reduce your development time, as it is a fast video towards the programming, then like designing your workflow. So I will be going with a blank. So once you click in the blank, it will ask for the name of your projects, then location. By default, it goes to your document and UiPath folder, and description about your project. So if you give any existing project name, then it will not. It will say that the project is already exist, so you cannot open on that. Now, already I have created two projects, test one and test two. You can see it here. So let us create another project called test 3, and let it be the location as same. Then in the description we'll type the same name as test 3. So once this is done, then we have to click at the create button. So once you click it, it will take some time and it will load the designer phrase. So in the middle, if you see, this is a white area, and here it is written drop your activities here. So this particular area is called your workspace, where you can design your workflows using UiPath, or using your activities. In the top corner, it's a, if you see, it's a two buttons. One is a save kind of, another is a play button. These both are quick launch buttons, by which you can launch any action very easily. You can put these buttons also to those particular quick action. Just you have to click it, and if you see, there are three options here: add to quick access toolbar, show quick access toolbar below the ribbon button, or minimize the ribbon. So if you want to add it, then just you have to click add quick access toolbar. Okay, then now it will be appearing here. So if you want to remove it, just right click on that, remove it from quick access toolbar. Below that, this particular button is called the ribbon section, ribbon bar, and these values will be changed based on the values on the top. Like currently, by default, it will open to the design phase. So if you want to go to the start also, you just have to click it and go back to a design page. From this stage, just click this back button. So once that is a design phase, and that is stage phase. If you want to execute, while executing, these are the buttons which is going to be help you a lot. So that comes under execute tab, and just write that it is a setup. So I will be explaining everything one by one, but right now just know that these are the options which is available in the Uipath Studio. In the right hand side, you can see it's a global search, universal search bar, which you can go by control F. The key shortcut is control and F. If you click it, then it will take directly to the to the search bar. Here you can write anything just you want to search, basically those activities. So in the left hand side, let me yeah. So what I did, okay, so let us click on the activity. So by default this will come this way. So what exactly? Okay, so in the left hand side you will get the activity pan. By default it will be open. So activities are basically all the building blocks of the UiPath. So whatever you do, you open a file or you click somewhere, it's a activity. So in the activity window, you will get another search button where you can search activities. Suppose I just wanted to search a sequence sequence. It will search it and it will show that one is available in the favorite, and the same is here in the control flow. So here you can expand all the activities, or if you want to minimize, then you can collapse it. You can refresh all those, and you can manage your packages from here. Here you can show the activities, which will expand and show you. Sorry, so it will give you the details like what you want to show it. Currently, it is favorite and available is by selected by default. So that is one. Once that is done, if you see in the button. Okay, there another two options are there. One is project, another is library. So let us go to the library. Library, this particular panel gives you the basic some samples which you can uh, use for your learning and snippet. So which will make your life easier to make. Like if you go to here, there is a for each child loop. So you can make use of these files directly, workflows directly in your workflow, and yeah, it is there to save some of your time and use as a reference. So if you another option is the project folder. So once you click in the project folder, you will get three these options here. First thing, it will show you the location of your project, where exactly. So it's displaying the project location. So whenever you open any project, so it will create a folder with that particular project name, and another file with a XAML file extension that is called main.xaml, and this is the entry point of your project. I know that, yeah, let me explain you. You can change it, but I am going to tell you all those things in later video, not in this video. So in the right hand side, you will get the properties of your activities. If you are dropping any properties here, then whatever the parameter it takes, or what should be the output of those things. This is basically to configure your activity. So then this panel is completely used only for that. And in the below screen, it's a outline screen. That means whatever you are designing in the workspace or workflow, those activities, it will be listed here in the tree format. Like this way it will come. If it is inside any another activity, then it will come. If another is there inside, it will come. So this is the way. It's a again, it's a representation of workflow, whatever you are designing here. You can expand your all those workflows or activities. You can collapse all those activities. uh, so these are the basic functionality you need to understand before developing any workflow. So in the below, if you see, there are three options: variable, arguments, and inputs. You'll come to know that, and I will be explaining one by one when we will go slowly from one episode to another episode. Then it will be easier for you to understand. So if I'll tell these things now, it will be very difficult for you to understand and remember. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'll help you to create a workflow that will be a basic workflow. So for now, bye bye. Thanks.